Hello, today we're going to go over some helpful details about housing as well as how to fill out your housing application. Let's get started. First, at the top of a new tab, we're going to go to asub.edu. Once the main page pops up, we're going to hover over admissions, go down to housing, and then click on the housing link. Once the housing and residence life page loads, at the left you can see many helpful links, such as apply for housing, residence halls, move-in day information, important housing dates, housing frequently asked questions, maintenance request, the channel lineup, residence hall manual, and RA resources. Now that we have went over those links, let's see how we can check to see what the updated room and board costs are. Under the cost subheading, we can check here to view the most updated room and board prices at any time, as they are subject to change. Once you have checked the updated room and board prices, click on the Move-In Day Information tab. The Move-In Day Information page informs you on everything included in the move-in day process, such as priority check-in, as well as proper procedure on how to move in your belongings aside other students during this busy day. At the bottom of the page, you can click on the What to Bring checklist. This opens up a PDF for a complete list on what to bring and what not to bring. It also displays optional items. Once you've reviewed over this document, let's go back to the Housing and Residence Life page and then click on Apply for Housing. Once on this page, we can scroll down and see that there is a list of things we must do as a first-time resident in order to apply. Number 1 on the list is paying a $150 non-refundable application fee before we complete our housing application. Once that's paid, we can proceed with the application. This housing application will begin with asking contact information questions, as well as questions pertaining to you as a student. Then it will transition to questions that will help us get to know you better. I'm going to fill this out as an example in hopes that it may assist you. Once you've reached the student classification portion of the application, it's going to ask you your academic year, your application status, your housing application fee receipt number, if you're part of a living learning community, your room preference, if you have any health concerns, your roommate preference, if you smoke or object to someone who does smoke, if you're interested in our international student program, or if you want to be in a room with people with different beliefs such as yourself. The last section of the application is really focused on getting to know you more as a person and helping us pair you with that perfect roommate. These questions go over everything, such as what hobbies you're into, what activities you like, your music taste, study habits, how early you get up in the morning, and other questions about how comfortable you are with other people. Once the questionnaire is completed at the bottom, it's going to take you to the on-campus meal plan section, where it's going to ask you if you have any preferences pertaining to food. After is the terms and acknowledgements, where you can click Submit at the bottom. Once you click Submit, you should receive an email about housing arrangements if they are available at the current time. If you have any issues with the application or questions pertaining to the housing process, please feel free to come by the Office of Student Life, give them a call, or send them an email. They would love to resolve your issue. That was a review of the Housing and Residence Life page. how to check the updated room and board cost, what to bring while moving in, and how to apply. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.